ayam goreng, ayam gunting. At least ground floor is where all the shops are open. The food. Well, hello again people, and welcome back friends to the channel. In case you guys are here for the first time, I'm JT. In case you guys are wondering what am I doing, actually I'm just doing some cleaning up in the backyard here, cleaning up stuff. Anyway, I did receive quite a large number of requests from you guys to check out this place called Angsana Plaza. And I was on my way back the other day after running a few errands, so I just drove to Angsana, get a few groceries as well, and to just check out the place. So I just give you guys a quick update, and I discovered something new on that particular day itself. So what was it that I actually discovered? Stay tuned and watch this vlog. As normal, we have shops here selling pastry, cookies at the main entrance. Yeah, Angsana always is famous for these places during Hari Raya. Heroes Market is here. I can get here, go to Hero Market later to buy stuff. I still have donuts here if you want to buy. Well, F&Bs are still open, it's per normal. Okay, laksa here. Oh, I like this tea laksa, it's good. Empire Kurma. Subway. Oh, it's good. I really think this McDonald's is closed. Pizza Hut is open. KFC is open. McDonald's is closed. Temporary closed during FMCO 3.0. Sorry for the inconvenience. Convenience shop. Specs, Rogers, and a few other places that sell food here. The Mary Brown is still open here as well, still selling food. At least the ground floor is where all the shops are open. The food, I mean the stores that sells food, selling cookies and biscuits and knickknacks and stuff like that. All mainly the food is here. So activities all here on the food. Oh, it's pretty quiet, guys. Other shops are closed as normal, guys. As always. Heroes Market and Pakistan is open on this side. Takoyaki. And we have seasons over here. Yeah, this still okay. guys, I just got my stuff. Now I'm heading out right now. I just left Angsana just a short while ago, and while I was on my way, I happened to pass by this street and happened to see quite a number of street food vendors here, or maybe street trucks on this particular road itself. But anyway, I'm really curious to see what kind of food they have, so follow me. Guys, what's to bear this food? What do they have? Ayam goreng, ayam gunting. They have, oh, they have pizza here as well. Okay. Oh, all kinds of street food they have here. Kerabu Maggi, Kerabu Sun. Oh, okay. Easy. Buttermilk. Wow, they even have a whole truck. Cheese. We have pizza. Look here. I'm surprised they have the Korea kuih, all different types of kuih they have here. Good wise choice, guys. Oh, they have laksa Johor here. My wife will like this. Over here, what else do they have? Nasa sarang burung. Oh, bird nest, I guess. Churros. Oh.
Bang, marilah bang. Saya ada jual churros. Adik berapa set?
Okay. Still deciding what to get people. Anyway, let's go check it out. For one of this, I think my kid will love it. Kasih RM2. RM2? Ini kasih RM1. RM2 boleh lah. Boleh. Boleh. Campur. Okay, my son has a thing for street food also, guys, so I'm getting one of these. Kasih strawberry satu? Strawberry ya?
Nama apa?
Satu. Yang ni pun satu lah.
Satu ya?
Satu. Okay. Yang ni betul.
2 biji lah.
Kenapa dia satu set lah?
Satu set kan macam ni?
Ambil satu, ambil coklat lah, okey lah. At least now, there's another place in my list that I didn't know about it beforehand. But if I'm around here the next time round, I will come here again for street food and snacks. Guys, with that we come to the end of the vlog. Okay guys, with that we come to the end of the vlog. Again, thank you again, and I appreciate all the suggestions, all the comments, the likes, and subscribing to the channel to help this channel to grow. I really appreciate it. This channel is really growing. I'm happy, and I appreciate what you guys have done for me. Again, thank you. Stay safe, be vigilant, and I see you guys in the next video. Signing off.